Okay kids, today we're going to be drawing a bird. I see lots of birds in my front yard. Sometimes I have quails, sometimes there's pigeons or mourning doves. We're going to start off over here with its head shape. I think we're going to do a rhyming sentence. The bird likes to fly in the sky. I'm going to start on the left-hand side with a capital T. H. Finger space. Bird. So your B. I. R. D. The bird likes. L. I. K. E. S. The bird likes to. T. O. The bird likes to fly. F. L. Y. The bird likes to fly in. I. N. Finger space. The. T. H. E. Finger space. Sky. S. K. Y. And then at the end you need a period. So now we can read it together. The bird likes to fly in the sky. Good job.